In front of me is HUAWEI Y6 from 2019, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. First of all, you have to open your phone gallery, go to the contacts and select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, click on edit and now tap on the camera icon. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. I will choose something from my gallery, then pick the picture that you would like to apply. You can smoothly customize it, tap on confirmation mark and click on confirmation mark again. And as you can see, the picture has been applied, and from now on, every time this number will be called on you, you will be able to see profile picture that you just picked. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.